Quantitative methods in finance involve the use of mathematical and statistical techniques to analyze financial data and make investment decisions. These methods provide a rigorous framework for assessing risk, return, and market behavior, with applications in portfolio optimization, risk management, option pricing, and more. Probability distributions describe how the values of a random variable are distributed. In finance, common distributions include the normal distribution, log normal distribution, and Poisson distribution. These distributions are used to model asset returns, assess risk, and make financial forecasts. The normal distribution is characterized by its symmetrical, bell-shaped curve defined by the mean and standard deviation. Let's visualize a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. We generate data points using NumPy and plot the distribution using matplotlib. This example illustrates the symmetrical, bell-shaped curve of the normal distribution. The log normal distribution is the distribution of a variable whose logarithm is normally distributed. The probability density function is given by the presented formula. Let's visualize a log normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 0.25. We generate data points using NumPy and plot the distribution using matplotlib. This example illustrates the skewed, right-tailed curve of the log normal distribution. The Poisson distribution models the probability of a given number of events occurring in a fixed interval of time or space. The probability mass function is given by the formula shown. Let's visualize a Poisson distribution with an average rate of 5 events per interval. We generate data points using NumPy and plot the distribution using matplotlib. This example illustrates the discrete nature of the Poisson distribution, showing the probability of different numbers of events occurring. Basic statistics in finance include the mean, median, variance, and standard deviation. The mean is the average value of a data set, the median is the middle value, the variance measures the dispersion, and the standard deviation is the square root of the variance, indicating the spread of data points. These statistics are fundamental for analyzing financial data. Let's calculate basic statistics for a dataset of stock returns. We generate the dataset using NumPy and then calculate the mean, median, variance, and standard deviation. Finally, we visualize the distribution of stock returns and highlight the mean and median values on the histogram. Probability distributions such as the normal, log normal, and Poisson distributions model various financial phenomena. Basic statistics, including mean, median, variance, and standard deviation, are essential for analyzing financial data. Integrating Python into these analyses enhances the ability to perform and visualize financial data and distributions, providing deeper insights into market behavior.